Hey guys, and welcome back to Makeup by Iwan, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Beauty Bay haul, and I'm just going to give a little disclaimer here. I'm refilming this video because I was like halfway through editing it and I decided to I was cleaning up my SD card and I decided to delete the files, and then I realised that the video is still exporting. So it completely crashed and I couldn't get them back, because when you delete something off an SD card it doesn't go into recently deleted or anything, it just completely deletes it. So I was like, oh my god, I've just effed it up. I've just deleted all the footage. There's literally there are probably ways of getting it back, but I just really did not have time to go through all that. I was like, I might as well just refilm it. So here I am refilming it right now, and I don't have any makeup on because I literally got back from school an hour ago, and I didn't go to school wearing makeup today, so I was like, I'm not gonna do it when I get home. I'm just gonna refilm the video because this video doesn't require any makeup anyway. It's just a haul of all my Beauty Bay things. And obviously when I filmed it the first time, everything had a wrapper on it, but I'm just gonna film it now quickly. Okay, so the first thing I got was the new mascara Revolution. And if you didn't know, Revolution recently got added to Beauty Bay, which a lot of people were a bit what is the point in that? Because a lot of people want Tarte and Colourpop on Beauty Bay, which, don't get me wrong, I want them on there as well, because it is so annoying having to order my Tarte Shape Tape all the way from America. But a lot of people are you can just get it off Superdrug or actual Makeup Revolution's website in the UK. It doesn't really make a difference. But because I was doing a Beauty Bay order, I decided to order these anyway. And I've already used this once because obviously this is my second time filming this. And the wand is apparently in an hourglass shape, but when I look at mine, I think it's because the wand picks up so much product that I can't actually even see what shape it is. It probably is an hourglass shape, but I just can't see it. And the second thing I got from Beauty Bay was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C2. I actually have the bigger version of this, but for some reason Beauty Bay have decided to stock the smaller version but not the bigger version. And I don't actually use this for concealer. I use my Tarte Shape Tape for concealer, but I really enjoy it because I don't want to go through my Tarte Shape Tape like that. So I use the Makeup Revolution for doing my eyebrows, carving them out, because it does a really good job with that. But I'm just gonna compare the wands of the small one and the big one. That's how much product just came out. There's literally none in the dough foot because it's all run out. And that is a comparison. That is the small version and that one is the big version. The next thing I got, which I was really excited to order, the moment it dropped on Beauty Bay, it's 6 o'clock, I just bought it ASAP, and this is the Jeffree Star Holiday Collection 2018 Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Jeffree Who. And if you haven't already seen my last video, my last video was a testing out Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Can't Relate. And if you want to see how this performs on my lips, then go watch that video. But I'm not going to be putting it on the lips on my lips in this video, because what would be the point in that? That would just be ruining the surprise of what's in my other video. And the final thing I got from Beauty Bay, yes, I only got 4 things, so I'm making a video out of it, but is this your channel? No, it's my channel. So this is the Ordinary High-Spreadability Fluid Primer. And I actually, again, the Conceal and Define Concealer, I already have one of these, but I ran out, and I am one of those makeup people who cannot have something run out. There's still half a bottle left of this, but I'm just so scared that it's gonna run out on me. So I'm one of those people who has to just order it way too soon. I could have probably ordered this a month later and I still would have been alright, but I'm just I need to order it ASAP. I cannot have it running out on me. And in my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, I got the matte version, but I have kind of dry skin, so it doesn't really work. It definitely sticks to dry patches, and this is really good when you put it underneath it, because it just makes it spread out really nicely and doesn't make the foundation stick to any dry patches. Okay guys, so that is the end of this Beauty Bay haul, and I feel like it has been really quick, but I've definitely got through everything. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. It really helps me out because I put so much effort into these videos and just no one watches them, no one subscribes, no one likes, and it makes me sad. And another thing, if you want to go watch the review on the Jeffree Who liquid lipstick, then watch. I'll have a link for that in my bio, and I'm pretty sure it'll just be my last video, or it might. No, I think it will be my last video, unless I uploaded a different video this Friday. But yeah, that gets me onto it. My upload schedule is just every Friday at 8 PM in the UK, and that's about it. So that's been this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And oh my god, I'm saying "and" so much, I'm gonna have to edit that out. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.